How to change add friend button to follow friend button in Facebook in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you have to scroll bit down, and then here you can see the settings and privacy, and then you have to click on the settings and privacy and then on settings. And here you have to scroll bit down on this page, and you have to go to the privacy tab, and then you have to click on the privacy settings, and here you can see the who can send you friend request, and you have to change it to the friends of friends. So please make sure you choose the friends of friends, and then you have to go to again the privacy tab, and here you can see the public post. You have to go to the public post, and here you have to choose all these options to public, and everyone, and here you can you have to choose all these to public, and now you done. So you are done, and now the when you go to the so that's basically it. When you go to the any of your friends profile, then it will say that follow friends. So that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and please let me know in the comments that it works. Have a good day.